In the crypto world, that store is called an exchange. An exchange is simply an app that allows you to deposit euros, buy crypto, sell them whenever you want. In 2026, there are many, but for beginners, simplicity wins, not complexity. For a beginner, I recommend platforms like Coinbase Binance. Young platform. Why? Because they're clear, because they're simple, because they don't bombard you with strange buttons. Attention, small disclaimer. This is not financial advice. Cryptocurrencies are volatile. Do your research. Invest responsibly. It's like choosing your first smartphone. Better an intuitive one, not one full of features you'll never use. The goal isn't trading. The goal is to buy your first crypto without anxiety. Step 1. Registration and security. Phone shot. Registration screen. You download the app of your choice. Open it, and it asks you to register. Email, password, the end. Then comes a part that scares many. Identity verification. Breathe. It's normal. It's called document verification, and it's identical to that of an online bank. They ask you for an ID, a selfie, confirmation of your details. It's only used to avoid scams, protect your account, comply with the rules. Now let's talk about security, which is incredibly important. A strong password isn't 123456. Use a long phrase, something only you remember, and then enable something fundamental. Two-factor authentication, called 2FA. Basically, in addition to your password, the app will ask you for a code from your phone. It's like having a double lock. It's a small thing that makes a huge difference. Step 2. How to deposit your first euros. Now the app is ready, but it's empty. You need to bring in your first euros. You have two main options. Bank transfer. It's a little slower, but very cheap. Perfect if you're not in a hurry. Debit or credit card. It's instant. You deposit and the money is immediately available. Let's look at a concrete example. Imagine you want to start with 50 euros. Enter the amount, confirm, and done. You haven't bought anything yet. You've just put the money in the app, as if it were a digital wallet. No stress, no risk at this point. Step 3. The moment of purchase. Now comes the moment that seems huge, but is actually the simplest. Open the app. You see 3 buttons. Buy, sell, convert. You press buy. Choose the cryptocurrency, for example, Bitcoin. Here comes a very important thing. You don't have to buy a whole Bitcoin. Bitcoin can be divided into tiny pieces. It's like buying a slice of pizza, not the whole pizzeria. Enter $20. Confirm, done. You've just bought your first cryptocurrency. No lights, no strange sounds. Just a line in the app saying you own Bitcoin. Step 4. What to do after purchasing. Here comes the most important advice. Don't look at the price every 5 minutes. It's normal to be curious, but staring at the price only creates anxiety. You bought to learn, not to stress. Now you have 2 options. Leave the crypto on the app or move it to a private wallet. For a beginner, leaving it on the app is fine. It's like leaving money in your bank account before learning all about investing. Over time, if you want, you can delve deeper. But today, that's fine. You've taken the first step, and that's what matters. In conclusion, if you've made it this far, I want to tell you something. Congratulations. Most people never start because they're afraid. You, on the other hand, have understood that you can start slowly, with a little, without being an expert. Owning even just 10 euros in crypto doesn't make you a trader. It makes you a person who has decided to understand the world we live in. If you've taken the first step today, write it in the comments. Simply write, done. And if you want more simple, no-nonsense videos on how to use cryptocurrencies in real life, subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.